Good morning, folks. We're back out on the St. Croix. We're gonna try to find as many fish as we can. I got 2 hours to burn, and let's see what we get. Just hang with us. Today we're gonna start out in that 25-foot range. See what we can find. That's where we'll start. Who knows where it'll take us? Who knows where this wind will take us? Either way, should be a fun day. There we go. Let's see what we got here. It's not very big. It's tiny. And of course, the first fish of the day is a sheephead. And not even a good size one. But you let them go. On to the next, I always say. On to the next. Okay, let's try for fish 2 and hope it's not a sheephead. Not a fan. Though they're fun. Not a fan. There we go. We got some big splashes behind us. I got a feeling we got another sheephead. For sure. Another sheephead. Must have been the brother. All right, let's try for fish 3. So far, just sheephead. Like to see a few different species come up today. Really like to see this wind lay down a little bit. Still sitting in about 25. There we go. Oh, this is gonna be a sheephead. Oh, nope, gonna be a catfish. Boy, he's all mad. No, this is gonna be a sheephead for sure. Oh, no, it's Mr. Whiskers. Well, an early morning Mr. Whiskers. Come on over here and don't mess up my line. Come on. Come on. You can do it. I know. Well, thank you for not messing up my line. That is very much appreciated. Now, even more appreciation is you just give me this hook. At least you showed me what was down there. Ouch. You're sticking me there, guy. How far is it? All you have to do is give back this hook. I don't want to hurt you. All I want was my hook. So here is a nice little channel cat this morning, and he was a fun fight. Just another species for us of the day, and man, even though they're not real big, man, what a nice tussle these have. Let's let them go. Question of the day. Tell me, folks, what are you using out there on the lakes and rivers to catch your catfish? Leave a comment below. I'm very interested in finding out what others are doing as well. There we go. Feels like another sheephead to me. It is. Look at that. Isn't that a beautiful thing? Another handful of sheephead. Just what we needed. And you crushed my minnow. Now I gotta get a new minnow. Love that word, minnow. It appears to be a sheephead day. And I got a fish, but it sure don't feel like one. Look at there. First baby sauger of the day. Hand size. You've got to do better. All right, we'll just keep on keeping on. Okay, well that was interesting. Nice little sauger. Like to see the bigger ones, but like I said, I only have 2 hours to burn today. I'm just playing games. And if you have not kayak fished in a river, it is a great experience. I recommend it for everybody to try it once. It can be tremendous fun. If y'all don't know the proper way to put on a minnow, always go through its mouth to the back of the head so it stops it from spinning. Now I like to use a stinger because in my experience I've noticed most of the fish come off the stinger. Hopefully I can show you that today. There we go. Actually, this feels like an eye. Feels like a heavy eye. Nope, Mr. Whiskers. Another Mr. Whiskers. Look at these guys. There we go. There's another one for the day. That's 2 cats. That's a lot for here. Just let them go. There we go. Well, that's not good news. Right up under my scanner. Now see, now there's a little bigger sheephead. Oh, we figured out what those fish were. Now see, you could have got off. I'd have been very happy with that. Let them go. We're in about 18 feet of water. The ending of September is around the corner, and the real fishing will begin. Or hunting. There we go. Not a walleye, but it's a fish. Definitely my all-time favorite. Mr. Catfish. Okay, not my all-time favorite. Well, there's a lot of you guys in here still. There you go. Another cat. Not what we're looking for. But fun. Alright, let's let him go. Now I know there's some more cats with my name on it out here. Just loads of geese. All using the river as a highway. There we go. Nope, think I got me a, well, maybe it got me a little catty. And it is. Here we go. Another catfish for me. All right, Mr. Whiskers. All right. Tell him how mad you are. I don't blame you. Look at there. Another little kitty cat. All right, let's let him go. Oh, he almost stuck me. People say you can't jig cats, and I'm here to prove you wrong. If you're out catfishing and you know where the cats are, you can jig them just like any other fish. And a lot of times you'll be a lot more productive jigging, because sometimes they're in that feeding frenzy. They want something to chase, and you're presenting that to them with the jig. So don't be afraid to use it when you're out catfishing. We got a lot of kitty cats out here today. I knew I'd find them here. There we go. Oh, I think you got me another kitty. Another kitty cat. Yes, sir. Another cat. Brothers and sisters all hanging out, making noise. I knew you'd be here. There you go. Look at that. Actually, these are really great eaters. If you were into eating catfish, man, you'd have a field day today. We're still looking for the big guy. Let him go. There we go. Oh, I believe we've got ourselves, let's see. Oh, we've got ourselves a sheephead. Oh, that's not nice. That's not nice. You're supposed to be a catfish. But fun is fun. Let him go. Oh, I think that's gonna do me for the day. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed the day. We went out, we tried to find some catfish. We did find a few, along with some other species today. The St. Croix, always amazing, always fun. It turned into a beautiful day, and thanks for joining us. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.